Salam, in this updated version of this advanced list view in SharePoint, we can query a list of more than 12 lookup columns. We can display up to 5,000 items. We can add icons to the column names on top. And for example, in the country column in the list on the back end, we only have the country names, but we were able to display the country flags as well. So let us refresh this page. Let's fetch 1000 items. We can add a data range over here. And there we have 1000 items displaying almost immediately. So what does this look like on the back end? Let's go to the list. Here we have a list. If I go to list settings, you can see we have about 15 person or group columns, which are the same as lookup columns. And we have also a country field over here. The country field, and you can see over here in the default view, I'm unable to display this list for this error is displaying over here. So let me go to the altered view. Here you can see I have 7 lookup columns. If I go to the second view, it will show the rest of the columns. And if I go to this view over here we can see the country column only containing the country name. Okay. But if we go back over here, we were able to display the country name with a flag as well.